Shikha Gupta from Delhi. I work on oil painting on canvas, and my journey started somewhere around 5-6 years back. So Padam sir used to come at our place to teach my kids. So somehow one day he saw something in my eyes. What he said to me, the way you look the art is quite good. Matlab, the way artists look to the art, you look like that. I said, sir, I have never done painting before. He said, no problem, I'll teach you. But you should start working because you have that artist touch in you. I said, okay sir. तो मैं उसको टालती गई कि करेंगे. But one day he has gifted me my first canvas, my colors, my brushes, easel, everything he has gifted me. And he said, come and sit with me and we'll paint today. And now I'm doing so many paintings, and I'm so surprised कि yes, this is me who is doing this. And sir is thrilled to see my work now. During my college time, I did sculptures from Sheila Chamaria. She is also a well-known sculpturist. So from that time also, I like to do some arts. So maybe from that time, I had that thing in me to do something in arts, but never had some good inspiration or motivation. So after Padam sir, maybe I get that thing in me, and I started my work. And I always done oil painting with brushes and knife, and now even with thumb. If we talk about this painting, I call it opportunities. So here this dog is popping out from the gate and he's looking for an opportunity. Maybe food, maybe somebody who can take him for the stroll, or maybe his master. So every gate says its own story. Every gate has its own path. Now if we look at this painting, so there I saw this gate. It really fascinated me, the texture, the color. So I clicked it. So thought that I'll compose it one day. So when I sat and started composing it, I come out with this beautiful artwork. And as I got this gate from the Chandni Chowk, which is known to be the old glory of our country, so I've given its name as Old Glory. So it has nice flowers and then puddles. After rain, when we got puddles on the roads, so that those muddy puddles where kids play and they have their good fun time. So this painting showcases the fun, the excitement, the childhood. and I'm really thankful and grateful to the Ekatva Art Foundation for giving me an opportunity to showcase my work there. And I'm really excited, and I give my best wishes to other artists who are participating in the exhibition. Thank you.